If you're getting a Pixlr account error and you can't sign in properly, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes step by step. These methods are quick, beginner-friendly, and in most cases, they solve the issue without needing any technical experience. So if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, the quickest thing to try is Incognito Mode. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N together to open a private browsing window. This helps you test whether the issue is being caused by saved cookies, extensions, or old session data in your browser. Once the incognito window opens, go to Pixlr and try logging in again. If Pixlr works in incognito mode, that usually means the problem is coming from your normal browser settings rather than from Pixlr itself. If the error still shows up, the next step is to clear your browser storage. Open your browser settings, then head into Privacy and Security. From there, click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you delete cookies and cached images and files, because these are some of the most common causes of login problems and account errors. While you're on the same page, also allow third-party cookies if your browser has that option. Some web apps like Pixlr rely on certain cookie permissions to load accounts correctly, so this small change can make a big difference. After that, check for blockers in your browser. If you have an ad blocker, privacy extension, script blocker, or any similar tool, temporarily turn it off for the Pixlr site. These extensions can sometimes interfere with login buttons, account loading, or page scripts. Once you disable the blocker, refresh the current browser page and try again. In a lot of cases, the page will load normally after that. If you still have the Pixlr account error, the next fix is to flush your DNS cache. This sounds technical, but it's actually very easy. Open Command Prompt on your PC, then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears outdated network data and can resolve connection issues that sometimes affect web apps. After that, reopen your browser and test Pixlr again. Now there's one more thing that can help, especially if you're working with uploaded files inside Pixlr. Make sure your asset extensions are formatted correctly. Keep web files in lowercase with .zip, save font files with capital .ttf, and save bold font files with capital OTF. Using the correct file extension format can prevent upload or recognition problems inside the app. So to quickly recap, if Pixlr is giving you an account error, try incognito mode first, then clear browser data, allow third-party cookies, disable blockers, flush your DNS, and verify your file extensions. One of these steps usually solves the problem. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple fixes, software guides, and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.